Welcome to another Develop and Design tutorial. In this video, we will take a look at how to convert a JavaScript object to JSON. To begin, let's create a JavaScript object for a fictional person. The object will have a name with the value Fred Blogs, an age of 45, an occupation of CEO, and a nested address object with a city of London and a country of UK. It will also have a nicknames array containing Freddy and Freds. Now, to convert the JavaScript object into JSON, I will use the JSON.stringify method, passing the JavaScript object as a parameter to the function call. The stringify method, which is part of the global JSON object in JavaScript, takes a JavaScript string, array, or object and converts it into a JSON string representation. Also known as JSON, let's check if our JavaScript object has been converted into JSON by console logging the JSON object and seeing its output in the console. As you can see, everything has double quotes and is in the perfect JSON format.